So now, what is types of right-based ethics? It focuses on the idea that individuals have certain rights that must be respected and protected. These rights can be legal, moral, or natural, and they serve as a foundation for determining ethical behavior. So dito, ang rights ay parang rules that can protect us and tell us what's right and wrong. So there are different types of rights. First is natural rights. So the core idea of the natural right is every individual is born with certain inherent rights by virtue of being human. K. Tinkers, John Locke, Thomas Hobbes. So basta dito sa natural right ethics, nakafocus lang siya to protect a fundamental freedoms and justice for all people. Like for example, 'di ba simula nung pagkabata, lahat tayo is may karapatang makapag-aral, pumunta ng school. So gayon, yun is tinatawag nating natural rights. So the second one is legal right ethics. So the core idea is right are granted and protected by law. So the key thinkers is modern legal theories such as Ronald Dworkin. So ito naman is nakafocus sa to ensure justice, though the application of laws and legal frameworks. So dito, so ito daw yung rights na binibigay galing sa laws. Like for example is the right to vote or get an education. So, 'di ba, lahat naman tayo bumoboto. Ayun na nga, mali pa, charis. So, the third one is moral right ethics. So, the core idea is right are based on the ethical principles independent of legal or societal laws. So, the key thinkers is Immanuel Kant, various contemporary ethicists. So, ang focus naman is nito is moral duty to respect the dignity and autonomy of others. So, in short, these are the rights that are right in our hearts and minds, even if they are not written in laws. Like, for example, the right to be treated with respect. Halimbawa na lang is, di ba may mga jowa kayo. So, bukod sa tinitreat na kayo ng maayos, is nire-respeto ba kayo? Ganun ba yung jowa niya? Charis. So, the fourth one or pang-apat is positive rights. So, the core idea of this is right that require others to provide something to you or something to us, ganon. So, it focuses ensuring access to essential goods and services for everyone. Like for example, 'di ba, kapag nagkakasakit tayo is inaalagaan tayo ng ating magulang. And kung hindi naman yung ating magulang is pupunta tayo ng center, ganon. Tapos magpo-provide sila ng medicine for us to be able para maging tayo, okay na. Mawala na yung sakit na nararamdaman, ganun. So, yun is the positive rights. Siyempre, kung may positive right, there will be a negative right. So, the core idea is the right that require others to refrain from interfering with you. Like, for example, right to free speech or freedom from harm. So, eto yung right na hindi dapat hindi dapat tayo masasaktan ng iba. Like, for example, um, di ba, kapag may kaaway ka, or something, bullying, ganyan, sinabihan ka man na pangit, or binabody shaming ka man, syempre, you have the freedom to speak. That's why you do a ganti ba, Cherise? So, anong gagawin mo sa kaaway mo? Ganon. So, syempre, ipagtatanggol mo yung sarili mo. Syempre, nasaktan ka, kaya you have to speak freely and pinagsabihan mo siya. Kunwari, kinausap mo siya. Like, for example, sabi niya, ganon, ganon. Tapos, sinabi mo din, baguhin mo ugali mo. Tingnan mo ang sarili mo. Mga ganon pa, ganon. Basta yun. Alam niyo na yun yung mga natural scenario. Alam kong nangyayari yun sa inyo in the present. Ganon. Charis. Yun. So, that is what you call negative rights. That's all the types of right-based ethics. So, bakit nga ba mahalaga ang mga rights? Because they can protect us, give us freedom, and make sure we're treated fairly. That's all po. Thank you for listening.